Okay, so let's have a go at this one. We're going to graph x take away y is equal to 7. So, is this in standard form? No, it's not. So let's rearrange the equation to make it into standard form first. What's the subject going to be?
Y.
Y. And so what's y equal to?
7.
X minus 7? If I were to swap those two. Okay, so a positive 7 when it comes to this side becomes negative 7. Alright, what is the y-intercept? Go on, Ellen. What's the y-intercept in this case? 0, negative 7, that is true, yep. Okay, so you gave it to me in ordered pair, that's fine. And what is the gradient? Go on, Elia, you know what it is. It's 1, isn't it? And gradient is the rise divided by the run. So if the gradient is 1, which is right there, then that means that the rise is 1 and the run is 1. Okay? If we had a gradient that was 2, then that's really the same as 2 over 1. Alright, so, ready to graph it, label the x-axis, the y-axis. All axes should have arrows on them. And we're going to start at the y-intercept, which is 0, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's your first coordinate. Okay. The rise is 1, the run is 1, so that means we go up 1, across 1. Okay. You only need 2 coordinates to draw a line. Okay. Now, I could go up 1 more, and across 1 more, and 3 points just make it all the more accurate. Yes?
Why did you change it to positive instead of
It's negative 7. Ah, here we go. Thanks, Ellen. You could have told me that a little bit earlier, though. Alright, try that again. 0, negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There it is. Up 1 across 1. Up 1 across 1. And looks like this. Better? Everyone happy now? Okay, now I need a scale. So let's say that over here I could say that I'm going down in 7s. That means my y-axis needs to go up in 7s as well. I don't need all of that. And what about my x-axis? I might go up in, I could go up in 5s. But it might be interesting to know what this x-axis is. Sorry, that x-intercept is. What would it be, do you think? Have a guess. What would that x-intercept be?
7, 0.
7, 0? I agree. How did you know that, Aaron?
Goes up 1 across 1.
Yeah, it just goes up 1 across 1. So it's going to go up 7 across 7. So let me just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My scale is off by a tiny bit. There we go. So I could go this way in 7s as well. Okay, everyone happy with that? Now, really, your graph should be labeled with the equation as well. So this is y is equal to x take 7. Alright, so that concludes question 7.